1. Burp, a sound made when gas from the stomach is expelled through the mouth. Example, after drinking the soda, I let out a loud burp. 2. Hiccup, a sudden, involuntary contraction of the diaphragm followed by a closure of the vocal cords, creating a hic sound. Example, I got the hiccups after laughing so hard. 3. Sneeze, a sudden, forceful expulsion of air from the nose and mouth, often due to irritation in the nasal passages. Example, I always sneeze when I'm around dust. 4. Cough, a sudden expulsion of air from the lungs, typically to clear the throat or airways. Example, she had a bad cough due to the cold weather. 5. Snore, a noise made during sleep caused by the vibration of the soft tissues in the throat. Example, I couldn't sleep because of my partner's loud snoring. 6. Yawn, an involuntary opening of the mouth wide and inhaling deeply due to tiredness or boredom. Example, I yawned several times during the boring lecture. 7. Sigh, a long, deep breath expressing sadness, relief, or tiredness. Example, he sighed with relief when the exam was over. 8. Fart, the release of gas from the intestines through the anus. Example, he tried to be discreet, but everyone heard the fart. 9. Growl, a low, rumbling noise made by the stomach, often when hungry. Example, her stomach growled loudly during the meeting. 10. Sniffle, a slight, repeated sound made by inhaling air quickly through the nose, typically due to a cold or crying. Example, he couldn't stop sniffling after watching the sad movie. 11. Swallow, the sound made when moving food or drink from the mouth down the throat. Example, she swallowed nervously before giving her speech. 12. Click, a small, sharp sound made by the tongue against the roof of the mouth. Example, she clicked her tongue in disapproval. 13. Slurp, a loud sucking sound made while eating or drinking. Example, he slurped his soup loudly, which annoyed everyone. 14. Whistle, a high-pitched sound made by forcing breath through a small opening in the lips. Example, he whistled a happy tune as he walked down the street. 15. Gasp, a sudden, short intake of breath, typically in shock or surprise. Example, she gasped when she saw the surprise party. 16. Groan, a low, mournful sound made in response to pain or despair. Example, he groaned in pain after stubbing his toe. 17. Hum, a continuous, low sound made with closed lips. Example, she hummed her favorite song while cooking dinner. 18. Spit, the act of ejecting saliva from the mouth. Example, he spat out the bitter medicine. 19. Gurgle, a sound made by liquid in the stomach or throat. Example, the baby gurgled happily after drinking milk. 20. Whimper, a series of low, feeble sounds expressive of fear or pain. Example, the puppy whimpered when it was left alone. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.